Why don't humans have gills? Hello and welcome to episode 87 of the 100-day upload series, where I upload every single day for the first 100 days of 2026. Now, this is a question that goes on in my head lots and lots and lots, okay? It sounds really strange, but why don't humans have gills? I would love gills, and right now on my laptop I've got a lot of reasons why we should have gills. And personally, I'd love some gills on my neck. I think that would be cool. And I'd love to breathe underwater and just like chill and walk in the sea. It sounds really strange, but think about all the pressure of the water pushing against your body as you're like strolling underwater. That will really improve muscle. That'd be so cool. So, why don't humans have gills? I don't know. But today I'm going to point out some reasons why we should have gills, and is it possible to have gills? So please make sure to click the like button and subscribe if you're new. Number one is unlimited underwater breathing. Obviously, how cool would that be? No scuba tanks, nothing. I've done scuba diving in the past. I think gills would have been even more fun. You've got to think about it, like drowning, it just wouldn't exist anymore. Think about all the people that like fall overboard of boats or unfortunately end up in the sea in all sorts of ways. You'd be okay. It would be awesome. Number two, we'd have access to another 70% of the planet. If people could breathe underwater, we could build underwater communities. How awesome is that? We could go and explore places that we've never been. Like, you know, imagine just going on holiday, just like, where are you going? Oh, Mariana Trench. How cool would that be? Oh, I'm just going on holiday to the Mariana Trench. You know, next thing you know, people are like starting up countries underwater. Oh, it'd be amazing. It'd be absolutely amazing. Point number three, massive survival advantage. Floods. What's a flood? Have no idea. Shipwrecks. Don't exist. Plane ditching at sea. Survivable. Think about it. Everything would be survivable. Or, not everything, but it'd be a lot better if we had gills. Energy efficiency is point number four. Oxygen extraction from water is harder than air, but water is dense and stable. Temperature fluctuations are low. You'd lose less moisture than breathing air. A hybrid lung plus gill system could be more metabolically efficient in certain environments. I mean, I really like the thought. I mean, you could get gills on your sides, but I just feel like on your neck. Okay, they might be a bit ugly, but I feel like the neck would probably be the best place, providing you don't have long hair, because if your hair could like get stuck in your gills and stuff. Evolutionary flexibility. Now this is something, right? Why haven't we evolved to have gills yet? Lots of people are in the water all the time, lots of people swim. As well as that, there are those people who go underwater for like 5 minutes with spears to catch fish and stuff, and that's amazing. Why haven't we evolved to have gills? Yet elephants have evolved to not have tusks. It makes no sense. Obviously, colonization would be great, just taking over the whole planet. We could expand, and it'd be absolutely amazing. Obviously, there is medical benefits. Backup oxygen system if lungs fail. Already medical advantages. Reduce hypoxia risk. Potential better tolerance to pollutions or smoke. Again, these are all amazing advantages. Now, gills, they are fragile, okay? And they are prone to infections, obviously. The salt balance would be a constant issue, and cold water exposure risks. Gills require continuous water flow. So there are these sorts of issues, but is it possible to have them? So at the moment, yes, it is, I believe. It sounds strange, but we have put chromosomes from jellyfish in cats to make them glow in the dark. So why aren't we putting chromosomes in humans to have gills? We can grow ears on rats. Why aren't we growing gills for us? It might sound crazy, but honestly, it would be absolutely amazing. Now, I'm sure the body would adapt, or scientists would be able to sort something to, you know, be able to be on your neck, because some people probably wouldn't even go in the water. But just being able to have them and have the benefit of them would be utterly amazing. I think gills, having them would be so cool. That's what I personally think. And I'm sure they'll become like a competition. Oh yeah, I've got the best skills. No, I've got the best skills. Oh, mine are bigger. Oh, mine are slender. I don't know. I'm sure there'll be competitions on who's got the biggest gills. that'd be an interesting one. But yeah, gills would be absolutely amazing, and just the access to the world that we'd get would be astonishing. And that's what I want. I want gills. Do you want gills? Let me know in the comments below, because I would really like to know. Adios, my miss amigos. I'm going to drop my laptop. I shall see you guys all in the next video, which will be up tomorrow at 5 PM. Genuinely, do you want gills? Do you think gills would be a smart idea? And if it's not gills, is there anything else personally that you feel we should have? Like, as humans, what advantage do other animals have that we don't? I think Gills is a great start. Let's hear your list below. Goodbye.